Many people have difficulty telling the difference between character displacement and resource partitioning, but we are here today with real-life examples to help make the two concepts clear. Character displacement and resource partitioning are both based on the competitive exclusion principle, which states that two species cannot stably coexist if they overlap completely in resource requirements. One ultimately edges out the other. Species have developed two distinct ways to deal with this issue. Through character displacement, similar species evolve to highlight their differences, thus making their niches different enough to survive. In this example, birds with similar sized beaks start to evolve to have different sized beaks so they do not compete for the same size seeds. However, there is no evolution involved in resource partitioning. Species simply learn to share resources such as food and shelter. Extremely similar species of birds who naturally prefer to build nests in a certain type of tree will learn to build nests in different parts of the same tree in order to not have niche overlap. Now let's get to the more exciting part of the video. Say you have two basketball players who are both very similar in skills such as speed, passing, and blocking. Let's say the coach is Mother Nature. The coach decides to make one of the players a point guard and the other player a center. The players assume these roles for the next 4 years of their careers, and over time they develop the skills that are better adjusted for their different positions. Now, the two players who were once equal in a lot of respects are very different. This is an example of character displacement. In the second example, the coach decided that both of the players are best suited to be a center on the team. Instead of sacrificing their natural talents, the coach decides to just split the game between the two of them and play them at different times, both as a center. They both develop similar skills as center, but both get to play. This is an example of resource partitioning, with playing time being the resource partition between the players. While resource partitioning and character displacement can be confusing, they are actually really easy to tell apart. The main point of character displacement is species evolving, and the main point of resource partitioning is species learning to share. Thanks for watching!